Hi, I'm Jeff Francisco, President and CEO of the DaVinci Group. We're here at Cedia 2018, and one of the cool new products we have is something that will allow you to connect a Echo Dot to any amplifier, or any receiver for that matter. It's a simple kit called the VAIL Adapter Kit. And what you do is you could take one of our simple voice stock mounts made by Vanguard, put your Echo Dot into it, and our adapter kit comes with two simple pieces. On one end, you plug the power and the audio into the dot behind the wall, or it could be a dot that's just located on a bedside or on a kitchen counter and you hide this away. Then between this and the second unit, which is our remote unit, you simply connect a Cat5 cable. Back where the remote one is, you take the two leads coming out and plug that audio leads right into your amplifier or AV receiver or whatever it may be. And then for power, we have two options. You can actually use any power over Ethernet source, PoE, or you take the USB connector that you got with your dot and plug it into this, and that will power your whole system. Once again, that's the VAIL Adapter Kit, a quick and easy way to make any distributed amplifier, two-channel amplifier, or receiver work with an Amazon Echo Dot. You can check that out at VanguardDynamics.com.